everyone. My name is Harshal Dafe and I'm working as a RPA business analyst with Zensar. The first time that I heard about RPA was almost 1.5 years back, and that's the point when I started my journey as a RPA business analyst. Uipath Academy has really helped me grow my career as a consultant who assesses opportunities and identifies the right candidate for automation.
My name is Cassandra Sharma. I work at Infosys. I am a fresher. One of the managers contacted me and she gave me 2 months to learn Uipath, and I had no clue where to begin from. So I looked online and I found Uipath Academy. On Uipath Academy, all the trainings are there. If you're learning RPA from scratch, Academy is really going to help you. I completed my level 1, level 2 and level 3 trainings in just 2 months, and I was ready to work on some production level use cases. I am also an active member on forum, and it's just so easy. If you're working using Uipath, I don't think there's anything that can stop you, because there's so many things that Uipath has provided us. Uipath Academy, Uipath Forum, Uipath Go. I don't think if you're using Uipath, anything or any challenge can stop you.
My name is Nearbhe and I am right now working as a RPA developer. My background is in test automation, Uipath tool. It is free and open for all the public. After 1.5 years, I am as a contractor in MDocs to automate the processes of very much precious process of corporates of MDocs, right? Travel and transport processes. Uipath 2019 is combining with artificial intelligence and machine learning, so it will help you too much about your career path and gaining a knowledge about what is in future.
Hi, I'm Rahul Gole. I lead the process automation initiatives at Globant India. The Uipath Academy was one of the crucial moments which helped us understand how the RPA journey can be started. The kind of various programs or various levels which Uipath is providing in terms of level 1, level 2, level 3 advanced certifications, as well as having solution architect and business analyst kind of academy which is in place in UI Academy, helped me and my team to get themselves trained and certified. We now have close to around 15 certified developers of Uipath. Because of this, we got introduced to a lot of right way of doing things, like robotic enterprise framework, which was one of the key area and which would help you have robotic process automation done in the right way. We have actually deployed robotic enterprise framework in a couple of our customers, and they're really happy as how this has been enabling them to scale things. Especially Uipath Academy has been a key player for us to scale up the RPA journey in Globant. I would thanks Uipath for that. Thank you.